Hi colors, before we get to this video, if you have not already watched part 1 of this series, please do watch it. The link will be in the description below. Now let's get to the video. Today we will be continuing to read the family application that we started. So let's dive right in. So currently this is how our app looks like. But I have prepared a list of items to do for this app. So if I go there, the first thing that we have to do is we have to add my dad and myself. In a good layout, and I will teach you how. Next, we need to put link subject HTML plus linking from the app plus HTML. So like for example, our mom, our dad, or myself. So now, lastly, we have to add a button in order to give the user welcome by alerting. So let's get the code. So first, let's add my dad and my mom's and my dad and myself pictures. So let me just in a second. So we have added the pictures, but a small direction. Before we add those pictures, I want to teach you how we can add an icon in the tab next to the title. How? Well, we have to put a link tag and in the head tag, and then put a web attribute and equal to icon, and then I href attribute and point to dot slash assets slash images slash, and in this case I will add my logo. So we will also add logo here. Wait a second. So I have added logo asset in the pointer. So after image, whatever you could name the file picture head name. So in this case I have named it logo, the .png, and put the greater than symbol. Now this tag does not have a covering tag. So we have done this, and now let's go back to the application to see if it works. So if you go to the app here and I click reload, hey, we can see this picture here instead of the globe icon before. So now this works. So let's go get back to the first task that I had planned for the video. So if you go back to VS Code, now let's work on putting on my dad and my mom and myself a picture here. So just copy and paste this below this here, and here we will say mom. Here I want to put dad here and same thing here on practically my dad, and we still have the same pick. So again, P and Christmas. My dad and I myself again. So copy book and good gap in here. So here is dad. Myself, and here myself, and here we should put as Shreya myself. Now let's get back to the app to see how it looks like. So give a moment. Yeah. Now this is how it looks. So essentially, we have just put each picture and put the text below that picture. Now, this is not how an ideal family looks like. So we need to put my mom and my dad's picture side by side and make myself my picture of myself be down. So let's go back to our VS Code. And first, now let's make a div tag or a division that is used for like a group to group stuff. So here, let's put the div tag to wrap it around mom and my dad. So div and have ID of parents to have a grid and wrap the div around my mom and dad. So right there. Now this is great, but you know what? It's not that great of a look because how they can look is the pictures are still gonna be the same thing. So let's actually add a hashtag parent stone this down tag here. And so since this is not a so let's put display upgrade the terms and columns, they equal both are 40%. So what we're saying here is we're saying that two columns and both columns equal 40%. So for give 40% gap, and for my dad give 40% gap as my mom. So now this is great. Now let's see how it will look in our application. So if you go back and reload the page right up here, okay, this is how it looks. Now the problem is we have those paragraphs, so it doesn't know that it has to those paragraphs have not the text as well. So let's go back and remove those text options. So here let's remove the p tag. And let's also remove under myself. So right here, because these will not work. So great. Now this looks great. So let's go back and reload this. Okay, that looks great actually. But now I decided few more styles to make it handle and look appropriately. So if you can go back to the VS Code and add these styles. First of all, let's add a separate style for myself. So mine self and in here and on the send the picture means you have more than left of auto and margin right of auto. Now if you see the app application, so before you go there, let's add this style to my picture. So instead of pound tickets, but myself. And now we got the thing and go. So now, whoa, what is this? Well, remember we add styles to this picture now that we need to make it the appropriate size. So let's go back and do it. Now here you essentially could just copy the family text and put it here. But the problem is that it's not so efficient because we all need to send out their parents' picture. It's a separate one, separate style called class and make a class. Here, what we need to do is we need to put width of 200 px and a height of 200 px. And now, in here, instead of this, let's put it as this block and have it margins left and right of aisles. Margin. A lot of now let's add whatever myself and parameters size. So what's good in HTML is you can add multiple styles to one tag. So that's really amazing. So size and tags. Now let's go back to the application and then read it. So once you read the page, now this looks awesome. But do you notice anything wrong with our code right here? Well, yes, of course, because we are using the same code I have in myself style in the parameters because we have this block. Now, this is not right. And if you noticed, my picture was like attached to my dad's picture. So let's fix these others and have some pixel numbers. So, let's make them put the margin instead of margin left, put a margin top of 25px, and instead of margin right, 200px instead of Now if you learn this page, then go back to the application. And of course, we love this page here. Ta-da! So we have successfully finished task 1 of this video. This looks great. Now let's finish task 2 again. So let's go back to the HTML, and before we add links to our pics, let's add the pages. So because you already know how to add those pages, I will pause the video and you can also pause the video and make those pages yourself. Just have like kind of paragraph about them. Give me one. So hope you have successfully done that challenge of making these files. Now let's add those links in our add.html. So as you might have guessed, it can be link tag, but you're wrong. There is a tag or anchor. So put in anchor tag. So right here we make a have a video h12 equal to the slash about mom and then put target equal to underscore link. What that will do is it will open up a new page instead of the same page opening it up. So let's close this up and run the tag around the picture right here. So right now we have done this. So let's do the same thing with my dad and myself. So possibly undo yourself. It's same thing. So again, I have put this here, and the reason why I had this learn text is that you can show me that you can click on the image or the text and it will work. Let's go back to our application and see how it will work. So if we go to our app now, as you can see, we have our loan and there's a cursor look like this, and you have on this have for myself, though I didn't put my loan text but yeah, so let's click it. Now you can see that it opens up a new tab about my mom. It says kind person. If I open it up for my dad, it says the same thing. It says about that, and it says funny person. But if you click my picture and you do this, you get me, and you get my name is to be on all text. So our app works. Let's go back to our code and mark our second task has done. Hooray! So if you go back here and basically go to what's in that text and mark this as done. Now we are almost done. We just need to work on this task adding a button and saying welcome. So let's do it. So let's go to the code here, and yeah. So on the add button, after the headphone tag, we have to add this tag here. we say listen symbol button and have the following attributes. Number one, we need to have a text attribute of button. Next, we need to have an on click attribute. Here we say alert, and here in parentheses put 100 what's alert in these quotes. Here saying welcome user. So that on. So you have the first ever piece of JavaScript code. Now in the actually close this in the middle here. Put type click here for greetings and have exclamation mark to save. Now let's see how this looks. Now it should be able to work properly. So after we go back to the app, reload the page here, and ta-da! We have successfully added this button. And now let us see if this works. Oh, this surely works because it says this page says welcome user. So great. Now click OK and it's gone. Now let's go back to our current market as done. So you have successfully finished your first ever website. Now, in the next video, we will be talking about some of the practical issues of HTML and JavaScript. I know we have seen a very basic version of JavaScript, though we will learn about it in the JavaScript series after the next series about CSS. So stay tuned. Bye.